Have you ever felt like you understand the listening part of the TOEFL integrated speaking task perfectly, but when it's time to speak, you get stuck? If it's not a language fluency issue, the culprit might be your note-taking habits. Many students jot down fillers like repeated nouns, adjectives, or unnecessary details, things that don't actually help when reconstructing the response. Here's what you can do. First, check out our previous videos on note-taking tips and common mistakes to avoid. Then, practice self-testing using questions you've already done. Since you're familiar with them, you can isolate whether your notes are actually useful for structuring your answer. If you're still struggling, analyze your notes. What's missing? What needs improvement? Remember, better notes lead to smoother responses. Try this out and see the difference. If you need more practice, LingoLeap offers over 4,000 practice questions, instant AI-powered feedback, and full-length mock tests to boost your TOEFL score. Start your free trial today.